Check out this pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ 4x4. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 10 miles per gallon in the city, and 14 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include DVD player, power sunroof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, OnStar, and power windows.